Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to plot in Matlab. So first let's create a vector. Vector name is x, that is equal to, contains the values from 1 to 10. Enter. Now use the function plot of x. Enter. Now you will get a figure. Our x values are plotted here. Just move the cursor, you can find the values. It is 2 by 2, 3, here x equal to 3, and here we didn't give the y values, y axis values, so by default it takes the x values as y values. So if you want to give a different values to the y values, so you can assign some different values. Just close this window and now give y values. Those are from -1 to 8. Enter. Here the two vectors must be of same length. That means x and y should contain same number of elements. See, x vector contains 10 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and y vector contains 10 elements. Now let's plot x versus y. Plot enter. See, this is y axis and the starting of the y axis is -1 here. It means these values. And like this we can adjust the axis and plot whatever values we want. Just close this window. If you don't want the joining line of your points, then just plot x comma y, and we have to give a character. Let's give dot that specifies our point and enter. Here you can see the points are dotted. 1 comma -1, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 1. Like this you can change whatever character you want. If you want put a star, you can place. Enter. Yeah, it's changed. See, the respective values are plotted here. Suppose if you give a different length vector, that means two vectors doesn't match in length. Let's see what will happen. Let's change the vector y equal to -1 to 9. Enter. I am just increasing one element in the y vector. Now let's plot again. Give dot. Enter. See, Here we are getting error, that is vectors must be the same length. Like this we can plot vectors, matrices, or functions, anything. If you want to know about a keyword or a function in Matlab, just use the help keyword. Help, I just want to know about plot, then type plot. See, the plot is highlighted by blue, so enter. You can get a lot of information about plot function in Matlab. See, with this reference, you can easily learn how to use plot. Just read this article, you can get a clear information. I'm scrolling down slowly. Yeah, I just told you this dot point. See, you can write whatever character we want. Yeah, this is an example. Okay, here they plotted a function. It is a trigonometric function. Like this, we can plot any function or any vector in Matlab. Thank you.